Experiencing lag and FPS drops while playing Warzone on your computer? No worries. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing the FPS drops in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's dive in without wasting any time. Method 1. First, change in-game settings. To do this, fire up Call of Duty HQ. Then click on the settings icon. Next, click on graphics. Now scroll down and navigate to the sustainability section and turn off VSync for both gameplay and menus. Next, click on apply settings and then on confirm. After that, switch to the quality tab. Then click on graphic preset and choose either minimum or basic, or try out other presets to find what works best for you. After that, turn off upscaling or sharpening. Now scroll down and come to the details and textures section. Next, make sure to set the texture resolution, texture filter anisotropic, detail quality level, particle resolution, and shader quality to low. Now click on apply settings and switch to the view tab. In this tab, just reduce the field of view and third-person field of view by 10 or more. Check what feels right for you. After that, close the settings and you should see a boost in FPS. Method 2. Turn on high performance mode for Warzone. To do this, open up settings. Then click on system and then on display. Now scroll down a little and click on graphics. Here in the list, you'll find Call of Duty HQ. Just click on it and then hit the options button. Lastly, click on high performance and then on save. Now you should notice fewer FPS drops in Warzone. Method 3. Change the power mode of your computer. To do this, open up settings, then click on system, next on power. Now click on this little box and choose best performance from the drop-down menu. This will improve FPS in Warzone. Method 4. Close unnecessary apps using Task Manager. To do this, click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Now right-click on the apps you are not using and select End Task. Doing this will clear up your computer's memory and processing power, making Call of Duty Warzone run smoother with better FPS. So that's how you troubleshoot the FPS drop and increase performance in Call of Duty Warzone. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you have a question, feel free to ask in the comment section and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.